Hey everyone, in this video, let me teach you on how to see who you blocked on Facebook. Let's start by opening the Facebook app and log into your account. Next, tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner. Tap on your name on the menu screen to go to your Facebook profile page. Next, tap on the three dots beside the Edit Profile button, and you'll be redirected to your profile settings. And here, tap on the Activity Log option. Next, open the Connections option. This will show you another menu under it. Now tap the Friends option and tap the See More button to show other options. After that, click the Block button and you'll be redirected to another tab. In here, you can see all the block lists that you have made and other information about the account. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.